Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for making notes. First, open Notion and create a new page. You can select a pre-made template or start from scratch with an empty page. Notion offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to structure your notes exactly how you like. Experiment with different block types, such as text, headings, and bullet points to organize your thoughts effectively. This initial setup is crucial for building a robust note-taking system. Organizing your notes effectively is key to long-term productivity. Leverage toggle lists to collapse and expand sections, keeping your pages clean and focused. For more complex information, embed databases directly into your pages. This allows you to track projects, tasks, or research with custom properties. Connecting pages through links also builds a powerful, interconnected knowledge base, making information retrieval incredibly simple. To make your notes truly comprehensive, enrich them with various media types. You can easily add images, videos, or even audio recordings to provide context or visual aids. For technical users, code blocks are perfect for storing programming snippets or command line instructions. Furthermore, Notion allows you to embed entire web pages or documents, bringing external resources directly into your workspace. This creates a rich, multimedia note-taking experience. For advanced note-takers, Notion offers powerful features to streamline your workflow. Design custom templates for recurring note types, saving you valuable time. Sharing your notes with others is straightforward, enabling seamless collaboration on projects. Remember, Notion is accessible across all your devices, from desktop to mobile, ensuring your notes are always within reach. This flexibility makes it an excellent tool for personal and professional use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.